Here's a puzzle even top students get stuck on. A red square is hiding between four circles. Can you figure out its exact area? The side length of the large square is 2 units. These circles fit exactly inside it. Let's place this figure on a coordinate grid. The bottom left is 0, 0. The top right is 2, 2, and the square fills the entire grid. Each circle has a radius of 0.5 units and fits perfectly in its quadrant. Their centers land at 0.5, 0.5, 1.5, 0.5, 0.5, 1.5, and 1.5, 1.5. If we connect two opposite circle centers, we get a diagonal. Using the Pythagorean theorem, the length is root 2. Now let's focus on the red square that fits perfectly in the center. Notice that it touches all four circles at exactly 1 point each. The space between the circles, from edge to edge, is the side of the red square. That side is calculated by subtracting the two circle radii from the diagonal between their centers. So the side of the red square is root 2 minus 1. To find the area of a square, we use the simple formula, side squared, 1. Since the side of our red square is root 2 minus 1, we just need to square that value. So the area is square of root 2 minus 1. Let's expand the expression. The expansion becomes 2 plus 1 minus 2 root 2. Add the 2 and the 1 together, and we have 3 minus 2 root 2. That's our exact answer for the area of the red square. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this puzzle, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more fun and challenging math problems. Got it right? Or want to challenge a friend? Drop a comment below, and we'll see you in the next one.